Could Olympia brew beer without the water of Tumwater? Sure, but with any other water, it would taste like any other beer. Better ask for Oli, the only beer from Tumwater. If Olympia hadn't built a brewery at Tumwater, Washington, somebody else probably would have. It's the water of Tumwater that makes Olympia different from all the others. Ask for Oli, the only beer from Tumwater. Why brew a best-selling beer like Olympia in a little town like Tumwater, Washington? Because it's the water of Tumwater that makes Olympia a really good beer. Next time, ask for Oli, the small town beer that made good. When you're out for the evening and you want a really good beer, order Olympia. Or call it Oli. That's the friendly way to ask for the beer from Tumwater. On your way to visit friends, take a really good beer along with you, like the beer from Tumwater. Most people know it well enough to call it Oli. The weekend's ahead. Make sure there's enough beer in the house to last. Better pick up a couple of six-packs of Olympia. Just ask for Oli, the really good beer from Tumwater.